Hi, you've reached my extended video review. This is Scott Anderson. So this is my Creality resin printer. It's liquid. The resin's actually over here. You can see there is the resin container right there, and I have a couple more right there and there. And then this is the Bambu X2D. I am not done setting it up yet. But it is the one with the AMS system. It actually has two nozzles, so I'm kind of excited because that way it does a little bit faster in printing multicolor prints. So I'm going to finish setting this one up and I'll do a review of it a little bit more. This is the smaller Bambu printer I got. So I replaced my Crealities with Bambu printers, and so you can see it's powering on here. This is a nice little printer. This is their PS1 or P1S, excuse me, P1S, not PS1. So you can see there's the screen. It's a nice screen. It's actually legible. It tells you Wi-Fi, current temperature, what is going on, where's everything in terms of the capacity. And then you can, print to it from the network, or of course you can do on their micro SD card, which is right here, which is very nice. I do like the Bambu printers. They do a good job of setting everything up. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. Like I said, I'm waiting for the XD2. And then the last part of my technology blast this week is I got my Neo sander. So the Neo blade is a toolkit, and the Neo blades right here. So this is the Neo blade. Neo is from Hozo. They're a company. They do measurement, laser measurement, things like that. This is a cutter, an ultrasonic cutter, which I have already. It's all set up. I've got the board over here, and I'm going to be moving things around yet. So once I get this printer set up here, once this printer's set up, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to shut this printer off because I'm not going to print anything right now. But anyway, the Neo sander is the new device from Hozo. I'm looking forward to it. So this is all the pieces. This is the same board you saw before for doing cutting. But this is the sander. So this lets me sand things. Mostly what I'm going to be doing with this is cutting. There's all the stuff for the laser pecker down there. There is the laser engraving system. I'm going to be cutting and sanding the laser engraving system. Obviously printing in multicolor, printing in single color, but fast, and that's for mostly prototyping and getting things up to speed, and then printing in liquid. And then I'm gonna open the box up here. You can see they do a good job of packing, but this is all the various accessories that come with the Neo sander. So you've got blades, you've got, what is this one? Oh, precision saw, which is very nice. Another precision saw. And there is the sander itself. There is, what is this one? This one is, and you can see hear the dog in the background. Oh, this is the charging dock. That's the same case as comes with the Neo blade, so I'm looking forward to that. So that's the next big thing to set up and play with. And again, got the Bambu printers here. This one's being set up and finished. I'm hoping to be finished with it today, tomorrow at the latest. Looking forward to printing in multicolors. It's just really exciting. Excuse me, the dogs are disagreeing with me. Always fun. It's an effective thing, but it's also important to be able to print in multicolor, to be able to print whatever you want, but mostly prototyping and getting things set up. There are the two dogs. They are not part of my technical review. And with that note, I'm going to end there. Thank you so much for paying attention.